to the Vintage Brickery. This is Travis, and I have another re-upload from my other channel that I put on my other channel. This is going to be Maiden's Cart, set number 6023, released in 1986. This one's from the Castle Sets Lion Knights series, I guess. It's got 36 parts and 2 minifigures. It's also known as the Damsel's Coach. So, anyway, I hope you enjoy this one. And thanks for joining me. Today we are going to be building set number 6023, Maiden's Cart, also known as Damsel's Coach, from 1986. It's got 36 parts, 2 minifigures, so not an enormous set by any means, but awesome nonetheless. So anyway, start with the minifigures here. Got the guard and the damsel, or the maiden. Both have classic heads here. She's got the nice red necklace on there, red pearls, very rare red pearls. The damsel headdress, stick her over there. And I got the, hang it, move my camera there. And we got the guard, driver slash driver. His neck protector on. There we go. And here we got the horse. Now here we got the horse when we're just laying around not doing anything. I got the old horse here. Let's put that together there, and he's not doing anything. He's out here eating. But when they gotta travel, gotta take his back out. I'll set him there. And we got the 2x6 plate. And we have the 2x8 plate. It's on like so. And then we have the 1x2 tile. It's on the back there. Next page, we have the horse harness, which attaches to this here. Got the 3 2-prong. That goes right up here. Very nice. We got the 2x2 plates modified with the wheel pins on it on each side there. And we have the 3x1 slope brick on each side here. Like so. Then we have the, I can see why they redesigned this. This is the one without these slits in the back, with the much thinner hinge. And I can see why they redesigned it. It does not stay on there very great. It's okay, but some of them can be pretty bad. Oops, see, like that. Maybe I'll wait to put that on here for a minute. Anyway, and then these 2 pieces here, this 1x1 plate goes on each side of here on the slope. Like so. And we got the card here. again. Sometimes these instructions can be a little vague. Why is that on a rotation thing? It doesn't rotate. That's kind of weird. Why would they? Okay, something's not right here. I have to go to the next page. It's very odd. Okay. Okay. Even if these are the newer instructions, and they are still kind of. I don't understand this line here. If you can see that, where is that going? So I check the next page. Apparently, it goes all the way up here. So very, very odd. It's back on there. Very, very weird. I don't understand the rotation. But anyway, so we have the 2 hinges. There's the 2 bases. Here are the 2 top plates. Snap there. These go on the back here. Oops. Like so. And on each side of there, there's one of these. This flag, the antenna / flag pole, goes through the back of these, one on each side. There's 2 of these. Snap in there. Like so. Ow. I injured myself. And each one gets a red flag. And then those on each side of this here. Whoa, boy. Some of these things rather precarious. Alright. Wait a second. Nope, here we go again. Not paying attention. Good grief. How did we put these together when we were kids? Lord. There we go. Okay, now we've got the rough here. Get it on like that. Fits across here. Lord, yes, it does fit on there, ladies and gentlemen. These are cool sets, but why sometimes. Good grief. Remember, these on each side here. Try going like this. Try doing it this way. this hinge back so she can get in and out of the cart. This piece here. On here. Then we have each side gets a nice brown wagon wheel. Looks like, okay, yes. And just like the previous, there's always one piece that goes somewhere that you can't tell right away. They still have not refined these instructions even back in '86. Still kind of tough, so it keeps those together instead of acting as two. Straighten those things up there. This here goes on the back. Okay, something's awry. I still have that. Well, that must be an extra piece or something, because I do not see where that goes anywhere. Woohoo! Anyway, so that goes back like that. Put this on the, mount this on the horse. There we go. Just get rid of that for now. Got the guard with the spear. Precariously sits up there, and then she driving Miss Daisy in the back here. Yay. All right. I hope everybody enjoyed that. If you did, hit that like button, hit the subscribe button, and I'll see you in the next build.